What's up, ArEngrs? It's been a while na hindi na ako nakapag-post dito sa ating page. Lagi na kasing busy. Pero ngayon, I have a good news to you all. I am now offering my entire AutoCAD workflow that I called ArEngrs AutoCAD Workflow. This ArEngrs AutoCAD Workflow is an online training course. This is a recorded, easy-to-follow video lessons which I use English and Tagalog language to all of my lessons. It is a self-paced online training course that will teach you the whole process of making working drawings the fastest way possible. With my 20+ years of experience using AutoCAD, I can guarantee you that my workflow is very organized, efficient, and fast in preparing working drawings in AutoCAD. This workflow includes hundreds of high-quality and smart dynamic blocks. It also includes hundreds of custom commands using macros, scripts, and AutoLisp. This comprehensive course will give you a competitive edge in your career as an architect, engineer, or a CAD operator, making you stand out from all other applicants and employees. In this course, you will learn how to prepare a professional-looking working drawings, how to prepare a complete lot plan in less than 10 minutes, how to create a detailed floor plan in 30 minutes, how to schedule, time, and track your progress in preparing working drawings, how to prepare XREF, how to prepare and use layer states, how to prepare roofline profile in less than a minute, how to automate your leveling like specification for your text annotations, how to prepare architecture schedule the fastest way possible, how to prepare foundation plan the fastest way possible, how to prepare framing plans the fastest way possible as well, how to automatically detect and tag one-way or two-way slabs, how to prepare structural schedules the fastest way possible, and how to prepare sheets or layouts in AutoCAD like Revit. And in this course, we have 6 modules. Module 1, Introduction and Setting Up the ArEngrs AutoCAD Workflow. Module 2, Architectural Drawing Productions. Module 3, Structural Drawing Productions. Module 4, Preparing Sheets or Layout in AutoCAD like Revit. Module 5, Electrical and Plumbing Drawing Productions. And Module 6, Bonus Lessons on Productivity. By the way guys, Module 5 and 6 are coming soon. But don't worry, this will be given to you for free when it comes out. These are the lessons in Module 1. We have 16 lessons in this module. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. These are also the lessons for Module 2. We have 14 lessons in this module. Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. These are also the lesson Module 3. We have 8 lessons in these modules. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These are also the lesson on Module 4. We have 8 lessons in this module. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Module 5 and 6 are coming soon. What are the requirements for this course? Basic computer knowledge, basic knowledge of AutoCAD and how to prepare working drawings. Any Windows of AutoCAD version, but I strongly suggest version 2020 or later. We have a promo registration for today. For an introductory price, Register now before this promo ends. This is a one-time payment for the whole training course with a lifetime access. This promo is available until July 31, 2023. So what are you waiting for? Register now and join us.